Tired of clutter taking over your bathroom counters and cabinets? Let's fix your home organization today. First up, let's tackle that messy vanity with a 360-degree rotating makeup organizer. This green two-tier unit solves the constant struggle of digging through piles of skincare to find what you need. It features a brilliant raised guardrail design that ensures your expensive serums won't slide off while you spin it. The ample space between the tiers is a game changer because it finally accommodates those extra tall toner bottles and hairspray cans without any hassle. This is perfect for anyone with a small bathroom who needs to maximize vertical space while keeping everything accessible. Imagine waking up and effortlessly spinning this to grab your moisturizer in seconds instead of knocking over 3 other bottles.
Next, at number 2, we have a 2-pack of pull-out organizers, designed for those dark, cramped spaces under your sink. These sturdy black units solve the problem of items getting lost in the back of deep cabinets. The standout feature is the bottom sliding drawer, which allows you to access cleaning supplies or toiletries with a simple pull, instead of crawling on the floor. Built with premium thick plastic and metal tubes, these are designed to bear heavy weight without deforming over time. If you're tired of a cluttered kitchen or bathroom cabinet, these organizers provide a clean, tiered look that doubles your usable space. You'll love how easy it is to grab a fresh sponge from the back of the drawer without knocking over the dish soap.
Now for number 3. Let's look at a 3-in-1 hair tool organizer that clears up your precious counter space. This stainless steel holder solves the dangerous problem of leaving hot tools out on the vanity, where they can cause damage. It features an adjustable height system that fits various cabinet door sizes, plus 3 separate compartments for your dryer, flat iron, and brushes. Because it is made of high-quality metal, it naturally helps dissipate heat, allowing you to store your tools immediately after use. This is a must-have for anyone who uses multiple styling tools daily, but lacks the drawer space to hide them away. You can simply hang this over your cabinet door and keep your straightener safely tucked inside while it cools down.
Coming in at number 4 is a 3-tier metal over-the-toilet storage rack that utilizes the most wasted space in your bathroom. This 63-inch tall black organizer solves the issue of having nowhere to put extra towels or toiletries in a tiny powder room. It features a sturdy metal frame with 3 wide shelves, an integrated paper holder, and side hooks for loofahs or brushes. The open design keeps the room feeling airy, while providing massive amounts of vertical storage that would otherwise go unused. This is the ideal solution for renters or homeowners who don't want to drill into their walls but need a permanent-feeling furniture piece. Picture having all your guest towels and extra toilet paper rolls neatly stacked and within reach right above the tank. Moving to number 5, we have a rust-proof over-the-door shower caddy that requires absolutely no drilling. This black organizer solves the frustration of suction cup shells that constantly fall off the wall mid-shower. It features a clever hanging design with 2 load-bearing rods that distribute weight evenly across the top of your shower door. To keep it from swinging, it also includes suction cups and fixed stickers that lock it firmly in place against the glass. This is a great choice for families who have a dozen different shampoo bottles and need a heavy-duty solution that won't rust over time. You'll find it incredibly satisfying to finally have a stable place for your razors and soap that doesn't involve balancing them on the edge of the tub.
At number 6, we're looking at a 4-pack of apothecary jars with bamboo lids that bring a spa-like aesthetic to your vanity. These 10-ounce clear plastic containers solve the problem of messy, mismatched packaging for items like cotton swabs and makeup pads. They feature beautiful bamboo lids that provide a natural touch while keeping your essentials dust-free and hygienic. Since they are made of high-quality plastic rather than glass, you don't have to worry about them shattering if they get knocked off the counter. This set is perfect for anyone who wants their bathroom to look like a professional hotel or a curated Pinterest board. Imagine lining these up on your shelf to neatly store your cotton balls, floss picks, and hair ties in one coordinated display. Coming in at number 7 is a 5-shelf hanging door organizer that can hold a surprising 44 pounds of gear. This gray fabric unit solves the issue of cluttered floors in bedrooms, nurseries, or pantries by using the back of any standard door. It features 5 massive pockets with see-through mesh windows, so you can quickly identify what is inside without digging around. The anti-tilt design ensures the organizer stays flat against the door, even when it is fully loaded with heavy items. This is a lifesaver for parents who need to store stuffed animals, or for anyone needing extra pantry space for snacks and jars. You can easily tuck away all your cleaning supplies or extra toiletries behind the bathroom door and keep them completely out of sight. For number 8, we have a massive 45-pack of adjustable drawer dividers that let you customize every inch of your storage. These black plastic strips solve the junk drawer syndrome by allowing you to create individual compartments for every small item you own. The key feature is the high-quality PP material that is easy to cut with standard scissors, so you can tailor the length to fit any drawer size. You can snap them together in seconds to build a grid that perfectly holds your socks, underwear, or even office supplies. This is the ultimate tool for the perfectionist who wants a designated home for every lipstick and eyeliner in their vanity. Just spend a few minutes measuring and clipping, and you'll never have to rummage through a tangled mess of cosmetics again.
At number 9, the Rely Home Adjustable Broom Holder is the perfect wall-mounted solution for your laundry room or garage. This silver rack solves the annoying problem of brooms and mops constantly falling over or cluttering up the corner of a room. It features a unique one-hand push lock technology that securely fastens your tools with a simple movement. No complicated clips required. With 4 racks and 5 hooks, you have plenty of space to hang everything from heavy shovels to small dusters and microfiber cloths. This is essential for anyone looking to maximize vertical space in a utility closet or a crowded garage. You love the convenience of being able to grab your mop with one hand and snap it back into place just as easily when you are finished. And finally, number 10 is a luxury marble toilet paper holder that adds a sophisticated touch to any washroom. This wall-mounted fixture solves the awkward problem of where to put your phone or keys while you are in the bathroom. It features a beautiful, heavy, natural marble shelf paired with a matte black stainless steel holder that is both rust-proof and durable. The open-sided design makes it easy to swap out large rolls, while the non-slip cover on the end prevents the paper from sliding off. This is a fantastic upgrade for someone who appreciates high-end materials and modern design in their home. Imagine how much more organized your space will look with a dedicated, elegant spot for a small potted plant or your mobile device right where you need it. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all these organizers. Please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you never miss our home improvement tips. Comment below and let me know which of these products you are picking up first. Or tell me what you want me to review next. Thanks for watching and stay organized.